According to Newton's second law, the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of an object when the amount of force is applied on it. Acceleration is equal to force by mass. That means acceleration differs with both force and mass. Joe, now let's move this ball with two different forces. Here we have taken two balls which are in rest position. Now let's apply little force to move the ball. Now it moves slowly and strikes another ball with little force. Now push the ball hardly. Now it moves quickly and strikes the ball with greater force. Here the force is greater, so the acceleration is higher. In second law, mass also plays an important role. So let's take two masses of balls. Now apply same force to push the balls. In this case, both the balls move with same force, but the acceleration differs. Here the moving object possesses momentum.
Momentum? What is momentum, Bob?
Momentum of a body is defined as the product of its mass and its velocity. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. A body of higher mass has lesser acceleration, and a body of lesser mass has higher acceleration. If more force is applied on a body, its velocity increases and its acceleration also increases. This is Newton's second law.
Wow! Now I got it, Bob. That means if greater the force, then higher the acceleration.
Excellent, Joe. Now we will see.
Wait! Bob, I'm tired. I need a break.
Okay, Joe. We will meet after a short break.